Using this module that I ordered from AliExpress for $1, I made a cool project. And what module is this? It comes in blue and white color, and you can order from 1 to 10 pieces. 0.91 inch OLED display module, white blue OLED 128 by 32 pixels. That the model is SSD 1306 for Arduino. I have a bunch of these, but I have ordered one more and I got it. Nice wrap in bubbles. Pin holder. Need more cotton. Okay, come on. Here it is. Small but awesome. OLED display. They emit a light without requiring a backlight and so have an excellent viewing angle, brightness and contrast in a very thin and efficient package. The display has a resolution of 128 by 32 pixels and the pixels are in blue or white color on black background. On the display we have 4 pins that need to be connected with the Arduino so the display can work. Ground, positive, SCL and SDA, meaning serial data line and serial clock line. And the dimension of the display is 38 millimeters by 12 millimeters, and that in inches is, come on, 0.74 inches with 1.5 inches. Do you like my hack on my scale? I add a AAA battery so can last more. I'm tired of replacing those coin batteries. Alright. If you haven't checked my yesterday AliExpress review, it was this awesome multimeter with rechargeable battery and it's around from $15 to $20. It's great. I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. And this is my previous multimeter review. This is ANENG M107. This is $5 multimeter with all functions that you needed. Both of them are fine and I like them. This is small, this is a little bit bigger. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what you can do with this display and what kind of projects I have made. And of course, using this tiny OLED display, I made this gadget and it's solar powered without using a batteries. I'm using a supercapacitor as power source. And what is it? It's a game, ping pong. Look, you can play. Solar charged it's solar charged, as I said. The supercapacitor, 3 push buttons, the OLED screen that is connected with the Arduino chip. In this case, this one is 80 tiny 85. You can check the full video and download the schematic and the code for this gadget. Just visit the link in the description below. Also, there will be placed the screen so you can buy it from AliExpress if you want it. And this is one of my favorite gadgets. Why? Because it's solar powered and supercapacitor that will last very long time. Nice. It's an old project and still working. Okay. And here it is. It's also an old project using OLED screen 128 by 32 pixels. But I made the project on the breadboard, adding 2 push switches, 2 LEDs, green and red one, also pin on the side. And on this project I'm using Arduino Nano board. It says old bootloader. LED pins 5 and 6, switch pins or push pins, push switch button pins 2 and 3. And it's a nice gadget, so you can program it and directly see the project on the screen. And right now I have uploaded this code. Why it's not working? Maybe I need to reset. Yes. On the screen you can see the graphics for the menu for controlling the LED. I have off, 25% brightness. You can choose 50, 100, blink and SOS. Right now it's on off with that arrow showing to the off. Now we are at 25%, 50, 100. You can select blink and SOS. What is beautiful about this gadget is that you can directly program the code to the Arduino Nano and see your project on the small OLED screen. This is just an example that I wrote the program, so if you want it you can check in description below for both projects, for this menu LED controlling and the game. Look, it's playing it's stuck. 8 points for me and 29 points for him. Okay, continue. 30. He's much better than me. Alright. That was all for today's video presentation of what you can do with using a OLED 128 by 32 pixels display, and you can make the cool projects just like this using this screen. $1 from AliExpress. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!